Hey everyone, this is Stan with OpenCart.rocks. Basically, I am a web developer, and over the years I've gone out there and I've tried to find the perfect shopping cart system, and I believe that OpenCart is it. One reason, it is an open source program, so it enables me, the developer, to go in and modify whatever I don't like or whatever I want to change. I can go in and modify it. So basically you can get a PHP developer to just go in and make modifications to the script. But the other great thing is they have thousands and thousands of plugins and different things that enables you to customize it the way you want as well. So if you want to add a certain feature to it, you just go into their, well, they call it extensions, not plugins, but you go into the extensions area and you look up extensions and see if they have what you're looking for. If not, you can definitely go get a PHP programmer to go out there and create one for you. So it's really cool in that aspect, and really like the features that it comes standard with as well. So it comes with a whole bunch of, basically it's a full featured system, and it's open source. So even comes with something like this slider right here, where you can change the images and have them show your products. It also has the featured extension right here, where you can feature different products as well. And then it also has this carousel here. It comes with an affiliate program built into it. You don't have to use all these features, but it does come with the option to have an affiliate program, gift vouchers. You can run specials on products. If I ran a special on this, for example, this right here, this is just a demo cart, but you can see there's a special on this one right here. So normally it would be 122, now it's 110. Of course, like I said, these are all just demo products that are thrown in there. When you do install OpenCart the first time, it does come set up just like this with a few demo products in there, with some categories already set up. Pretty easy to go in and delete all those, but it's kind of nice to see how it's laid out when you first install it to make sure everything installed properly. But it is a full-featured shopping cart system, so I can add, say I want to add this to my cart. This particular one had some options, so instead of adding it directly to the cart, it took me to the main page, where of course if I click on one of these, it shows me the larger image, which is great. If you like the hover over type thing, there are extensions for that as well, where you can hover your cursor over the image and it'll zoom in on it, and there's extensions out there that'll allow you to do that. So we've got some options. You can do various options. For example, they're kind of just showing you everything here, but there's everything from dates. Of course, quantity is going to be there, but you've got check boxes, radio boxes or radio buttons, text where you can just enter in something there. You've got a selection where it can increase the price if you select it, and you can even have, if you do an engraving or some custom thing where you need somebody to enter in their information, it gives you that option as well. And this isn't typical on every single product. For example, let me go back, and if we just go into the iPhone here, you see that it just has one quantity, but you can add those when you set up the product. And so it's really cool, all the features that it has. And of course, a system like this wouldn't be complete unless it did have a nice back office admin area, and OpenCart does have that. Let me show you first of all adding to the cart. So now it's been added to the cart. Here's the cart, and now I can check out. Goes through the checkout system, except for this product has been marked in the in this demo as it's out of stock, which is also a great feature to point out. This can count down the stock for you. So if you have 50 products that you want to sell and you only have 50 of them, you can have it count down and say, okay, now we're down to 30, 28, 27. You can go down. Once it hits 0, it'll tell the customer it's out of stock, and so you can actually do that. So let's go in and let's add something here that's not out of stock, and I'll go ahead and remove this. And now if I check out, and we still have something there, it's just the message wasn't removed. So pretty cool system though. Has all kinds of different features. You can add your credit card method to purchase. You can add PayPal. It's got a whole bunch of different systems for checking out as well. So here is the back office. This is the dashboard of the admin area. So it gives you kind of a total of everything that's going on in your cart. You have the categories, products, the different options that you can set up for each product. We've got the individual modules and extensions that you can install. The shipping and payment have their own area because there's just so many of them. So many different options to add, like UPS and United Parcel Service, FedEx. You can go in and add plugins for all these different things and it'll help you figure out shipping for your customers and stuff like that. Payment solutions, we've got Authorized.net for most credit card processors. Authorized.net is a credit card gateway, and so if you use a different credit card processor, you might want to ask them if they use Authorized.net as a gateway. And if you do, all you need to do is plug in your Authorized.net information, and you're off and going. But it also has like PayPal. It has all the different methods of PayPal. PayPal Pro, PayPal Pro in an iframe, PayPal Standard, and so it has a whole bunch of different ones: WorldPay, SagePay, a whole bunch of different methods to pay. Here's where you view your orders, and you can see they're all listed out here nicely. You can view them, you can edit them, you can delete them. You can also search for them by order ID or order status. There's a whole bunch of different settings for order status. You can also, it also has a few features like the affiliate program, coupon codes that you can create, and you can also mail all your customers as well. You can send them an email. Then there's the settings that you can go into to configure your cart. And probably once you get it set up, you don't need to mess with it too much, but there are some settings that you can go in if you want to set it up to be just for that you only sell to a specific area. You can do that. You can make it so that people from other countries or other states or wherever can't purchase from your cart, that it's only for certain places. But then again, you can open it up to everywhere depending on what you're actually selling and everything. You've got your backup restore feature, you got error logs, and you've got your reports. And one thing about this, you see these icons here only pop up when you hover, but you can also expand them so you can view them. And then it's got a few little statistics here as well. OpenCart is the way to go if you're going to do a shopping cart. I have customers that use it and they only have one product that they're selling. And the reason they use this with one product is because of this back office administration area where they can go and they can track everything. They can give separate logins to their customer service representatives. They don't have to give them complete access to everything. They can give them access to certain areas only. And so their customer service can come in, look at certain things. They can modify the order, but they can't go in and modify the cart itself. They can't go in and modify the product prices and things like that. And so just because of these features in this back office area, clients with just one product that they're selling, they use this. But I also have customers that are selling multiple products, and so it works out best for all of them. It is a full-featured shopping cart program. OpenCart is the way to go.